Ever since I graduated college, I had noticed that I was having severe neck and shoulder pain and frequent headaches. I thought for a long time I was aggravated by my TMJ, but it just continued, and for the course of about 3 years I was having trouble sleeping, and the pain just intensified to the point where my neck and shoulder and the knots in my back were just, the pain was consuming me. And I was only 23, and it was very, very difficult to think that that could be something that could continue for the rest of my life. And they had me run thousands and thousands of dollars of tests, and then they put me on a lot of high dosage pain medication, and I switched probably about 2 or 3 times different medications, and the side effects were not pleasant, and it was just got to a point where I started to become immune to them, and the pain just continued. And it came to a point where I just felt that I was going to have to live with this. But the minute I walked in, they were so friendly and so reassuring, and the initial tests are just kind of an eye-opener. Like, they knew me, they got me, they understood me, and it was kind of like, okay, I think this is headed in the right direction. Within about 2 weeks, I was able to sleep at night. My TMJ, which was aggravated all the time, the jaw dislocation, much better. I could chew more. I didn't have that intense pain, and I could feel my neck and my shoulder physically getting better, which was amazing since I didn't need to take medication to do it. Within a month, I could completely tell I was walking differently. I was, the headaches weren't coming as frequently, and I was sleeping through the night, and it had been such a long time where I didn't wake up with pains and having to do different things to adjust myself. So it was just amazing, and within a month it reaffirmed that I needed to continue this and do whatever I had to do to make sure that it ran its full course. I would say sign up immediately. My treatment was just, I think, one minuscule part of what he does. I think what he's able to do is help people with asthma, with so many other problems. I've seen people come in and I've talked to patients, and they're so different from what I've gone through, and some are so similar. And just to know the kind of scope of treatment that he provides to people. He's part chiropractor, part therapist, and he listens to you and he understands you, and it's weird because he helps you kind of release some of the emotional things going on in your life. So I would very, very highly recommend anyone signing up for Dr. Dow.